Fresh potatoes arrive at the factory every day in large trucks straight from local farms. Before anything else happens, each load is carefully inspected to make sure only the best potatoes move into production. It's the first step in transforming ordinary potatoes into one of the world's most recognizable snacks. From the very beginning, the process is all about freshness, quality, and efficiency. Once approved, the trucks slowly unload thousands of potatoes into massive receiving hoppers. From there, automated conveyor belts carry them deep into the factory while workers keep a close eye on the process to ensure everything runs safely and smoothly. The potatoes are then washed with powerful jets of clean water that remove dirt, stones, and any unwanted debris. Large rotating washing drums scrub every potato from every angle, leaving them perfectly clean. Only spotless potatoes are allowed to continue to the next stage. The peeled potatoes are sliced into thin, even pieces by high-speed cutting machines. Every slice is made to the exact same thickness, ensuring they cook evenly and consistently. The precision of these machines helps maintain the quality of every batch. The slices are then cooked in large industrial tanks at carefully controlled temperatures. This softens the potatoes without overcooking them, creating the perfect texture for the next stage. As steam rises throughout the factory, the potatoes become tender and ready for blending. After cooking, the potatoes are crushed into a smooth, creamy mash using powerful industrial mixers. Any lumps are removed to create a perfectly uniform texture. This silky potato mash becomes the foundation of every Pringles chip. The mash is combined with starches, flour, salt, and carefully measured seasonings. Automated systems dispense each ingredient with incredible accuracy before giant mixers blend everything into a smooth, flexible dough. Once mixed, the dough is ready to be shaped. The fresh dough moves onto a wide conveyor belt and passes beneath giant rollers. These heavy rollers flatten it into one continuous, thin sheet with carefully controlled thickness. This ensures every chip starts with exactly the same dimensions. Next, precision cutting machines stamp hundreds of oval-shaped dough pieces every minute. Every piece is identical in size and shape, while the leftover dough is collected and recycled back into production. Nothing is wasted in this highly efficient process. The freshly cut dough pieces glide smoothly along stainless steel conveyor belts. Advanced sensors inspect each piece as it travels, while the conveyor keeps them perfectly spaced for the next machine. The shaped chips travel into long industrial fryers filled with hot cooking oil. They are fried until they become perfectly golden, light, and crispy. Throughout the process, temperature and cooking time are carefully controlled to deliver the signature Pringles crunch. After frying, the chips pass through an oil removal system where powerful air blowers remove any excess surface oil. This helps create a lighter, crispier chip without affecting its texture. They're now perfectly prepared for seasoning. The chips enter large rotating seasoning drums where a fine layer of flavor is evenly applied to every chip. Whether it's original, barbecue, or sour cream and onion, every batch receives the perfect amount of seasoning for a delicious, consistent taste. Robotic machines then stack the finished chips into neat, perfectly aligned columns. Each chip is positioned with precision to prevent cracking during packaging. This automated stacking process creates the iconic Pringles stack. The perfectly stacked chips slide smoothly into the famous Pringles cans. Every can is filled with the exact number of chips, ensuring consistency while protecting them from damage during transport. Automation guarantees every can meets strict factory standards. A protective foil seal is placed on top of each can to lock in freshness, and a plastic lid is securely pressed into place. Every sealed can is carefully inspected before leaving the production line, ensuring it meets the highest quality standards. Finally, the finished cans are packed into cartons, stacked neatly onto pallets and moved by forklifts to waiting delivery trucks. From there, they begin their journey to supermarkets around the world.
Enjoyed this factory journey? Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next amazing production process.